The Automotive News Leading Women Conference is only 1 week away, and this is the fourth of a 5-part video series covering the preparation for that event. We've talked about being inspired and really thinking about the outcome that we want the audience to experience at the end of the session. We've talked about preparing the key messaging. We've covered putting the messaging in the right kind of flow and format, using old-fashioned handwritten system, using the whiteboard, and then in the last video we talked about putting together the slide outline with the key messages. And that outline I put in a template, just looks like this. It's a very simple Word document. And now in this video we'll talk about reviewing this template with the client, so with the event organizers, to make sure that it does indeed meet their expectations. When a client books a speaker, the subject is usually quite broad, so it's really important to explain to the client how the messaging will come across and what's involved in the presentation. So we had that review yesterday. It's thumbs up all the way. We're excited and ready to go. So now I get to think about the visuals that I need to have in place to support the points that I'll be making during the presentation. So this is the fun stuff. And I started off with a shoebox full of photographs, one of those boxes that you have throughout your life that you collect that have photos of you when you were a kid at different points in your life and career. So I've been sorting through that shoebox. I have some old photos that I'll be included in the presentation, and I'll be really thinking about what visual I need to match the point for each part of the messaging. So we're almost there, and this presentation is designed to inspire and ignite and to make sure that people feel like really stepping up and taking the lead. My wish is that everyone in the audience will take away a little something from my story and from this presentation that will help them in their leadership journey. A presentation like this is all about the audience. It's all about the experience that the audience will have and will feel during the session. So we have one more video to go, and then it's showtime. So if you're not already signed up for the live stream, I will either see you at the event or through the live stream. Please connect with me on LinkedIn. I would love to hear your thoughts. If there's something that you want to hear about, if I can fit that into the presentation, I absolutely will, and would love to meet you either during or after the session next week.